Hello everybody. I hope everybody is doing well. Hope everybody's safe. And sorry I was gone so long, but I'm so glad to be back. Anyway, I just wanted to share how to root and grow a plant that I love. It's called a Pothos, Pothos, I believe. Anyway, I got just a little piece, and I didn't have time when I first got it to root it or take care of it, so I just stuck it down in my corn plant, which I knew corn plants and this other plant do well together. But I wanted to separate it for now and let it grow and get bigger, and then I may take a cutting or two or maybe 3 or 4 off and put it back in with the corn plant. But anyway, as you can see, I've got this white flower pot. I got it thrifting. It originally came from IKEA, and I washed it out with rubbing alcohol inside and out to make sure it didn't have any kind of fungus or bacteria, anything in it. And so now I'm going to show you the Pothos philodendron. Okay, you can see now that it had these roots that are already rooted in with the corn plant. This is the way it looks. This plant is very good at filtering the air, purifying the air, and like I said, it does good with a corn plant, but I wanted it separate. This is very easy to grow. I've been growing these since I was a teenager, and then I happened to get sick several years ago and didn't have time to tend to them, and they died. But now I've got this, and I want to put it in this pot and start having more plants too. But anyway, this is just regular potting soil with Miracle Grow already in it, and I just put it down in the dirt like this. Now, if someone offers you one, a cutting, go ahead and take it, because this is a real good plant to grow in your house to help purify the air, and we need all the purification of air in the house that we can get nowadays, don't we? Because of this virus. Okay, and this piece right here rooted too, but I had broke it off originally because some of the leaves had died on it. But this still rooted. You see that? And it don't even have no leaves on it. But I'm going to poke it down in here too as well, because eventually it will put out some more leaves. Now, I'm not a professional when it comes to growing plants. I'm just telling you all the way that I have found to grow plants that works for me, and the best way it works for me. So I just thought I'd pass on that information, because some people may be intimidated and think that they can't grow anything. But if you want a beginner plant, I'll tell you this is a good one to start as a beginner plant. And I forgot to show you, but they have these little nodes on them. Let's see, let me pull this one back out. See there? I'm trying to hold the camera and talk at the same time, but anyway, y'all see those little dark brown nodes there? Let's see, right there, close to my thumb. Those little things is where they'll put roots out or little leaves out. Okay, once I get it in, I'm sorry if I'm shaking. Please forgive me. I'm going to try to work on doing better, maybe act more professional and do more professional, but I just like the simple ways of doing things in life myself. And because you know how it is, we don't have much time as it is nowadays because people stay so busy. And so anyway, here's the plant. And now it is flipped over a little bit. It may be flipped over a little bit until it really takes hold and grows a little bit more. But it'll straighten up. But if it don't straighten up, I'll just straighten it up myself, add a little bit more dirt in it. And this, I can see, it's got just a little bit of dust on it, the leaves. So I'm going to wash this off. I usually do this with my sprayer, but my sprayer is give out and I'm going to have to get another one. But we're waiting on that right now because we need some other things and we haven't went to know where to buy any. So anyway, now I've cleaned the leaves off. I usually, like I say, do that with a sprayer. And then the water I use when I first start growing them is kind of a lukewarm water. Now, when I get it out, I will clean off the pot, but for now I'll just show y'all this because I'm sure everybody knows how to clean a pot. But that's what I'll do, and I water these about once a week. That's it. So I hope everybody enjoys this, and I hope yours turns out good too. And may all of you be blessed, have a blessed day, a blessed week, and stay safe too. Bye-bye. Oh yes, please subscribe to my channel, please, to help me out. I'm not making no money on this channel yet. I'm seem like slow at getting subscribers, and I hope y'all will subscribe to my channel and help me out, and hope y'all have good luck with this Pothos philodendron. Everybody take care. Bye bye.